Meaning of ericaceous.
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 Ericaceous. Ericaceous is an adjective used to describe plants that belong to the heath family, Ericaceae. These plants typically prefer acidic soils that are high in organic matter and have a low pH. Examples of ericaceous plant species include blueberries, rhododendrons, and azaleas. When soil lacks the necessary acidity for these plants to thrive, they may experience stunted growth, yellowing leaves, and reduced fruit production. Adding compost or sulfur to the soil can increase its acidity and improve the health of ericaceous plants. Overall, ericaceous simply refers to plants that thrive in acidic soil conditions.